Yeah, network holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Theta price update. What's the price? What's the price changes occur in Theta network? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more update and news videos, guys. The right now price of Theta network in the market is about 6.48 USD dollar. Wow, congratulations. Now Theta Network also make a huge move, guys. You know what, guys? In October, I found a lot of crypto positive, especially Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is in the trending, guys. And obviously, I also predicated these all cryptos in my previous videos in September, guys, that this coin will pump in October, guys. And my prediction is going 100% right about crypto. Now also predicted Theta Network, as you can see here. Now it is October and you can see here that Theta Network is also in the pumping, guys. So guys, the huge pump taken by Theta Network yesterday and also in the last 7 days, guys. Let me show you the price chart. You can see here, guys, now the market going positive. A massive change is occurred by Theta Network, guys. The change is about positive 0.89%. Highest price is about $6.93 USD dollar. That is the highest price of Theta in the last 1 day, guys. So these changes are going positive in the market, guys. Obviously, guys, don't decide to sell. Every coin falls down. You can see now also Theta Network falls down for some time. So that's not mean then you decide to sell, guys. I just recommend for everybody that hold for a long time. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel.